Hey everyone, welcome to Cryptocurrency Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at waves. So, if you see my previous videos, I was very bullish on waves. But 2 days back, Binance has announced that they would be delisting the waves from their exchange. So this kind of sucks, right? But the trading is still alive till now, and they will be removing the trading pairs, all of the waves trading pairs on June 17th at 3 a.m. UTC timing. Okay, so this is kind of a bad news for waves, but if you visit their official Twitter handle, waves protocol, you'll be like, hey, they are still doing amaze, and for some reason they are very happy that waves has been delisted from Binance. You like the WX network, which is their decentralized exchange. They're like, hey, Binance has delisted waves, moo ha ha ha. Now all the waves traders will be ours. Now they are still trying their best to create some sort of demand for this, but until unless some waves is still waves is listed by a huge cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, I don't expect any new traders following this path of holding waves in their portfolio. So the Sasha, who is the founder of Waves platform, he is very bullish on Waves. Like, he made a huge post on Waves the day after this news broke out. So on the very first day this happened. Okay, so let me turn off the Ichimoku indicator. So this happened. We went from $2.3 to, let me show you how much percentage we lost. So we went from $2.3 to immediately $1.6, which is like 30% down, and then from there we went another 6% down to $4.9, and we hovered at this $1.5 range. But so far waves has not found its bottom because we are still going down. So whatever they are coming out with, people are not at all accepting any of the lies or whatever you want to call by the Sasha, who is the founder of Waves. So if you go back a little bit, let me switch to the weekly time frame. So here every single bar represents a week of price action. Okay, let me load it. So you can see that the price of Waves was around half dollar, so or 50 cents on March 9th, 2020, and we had a significant rise all the way to $42 and had an all-time high at $63. So naturally a lot of people, including me, were like, hey, it doesn't hurt to throw a few $1,000 if we have actually found a bottom at $1.2 and we actually go to 60. Even if we touch the previous all-time high, that would have been an exceptional trade, like profit of 4,800%, which is amazing for a project like this. Like, it has its history, a long history, and hey, on socially they were not dead like most of the projects, like the other projects which have been delisted, like Omisego and NEM, which will be delisted as well on the June 17th. So this actually was a good project potentially, and I can name few more projects that are literally dead on Binance, and they are on the verge of delisting as well. I don't want to name them uh, because it can cause some unnecessary FUD, so I don't want to do that. But if you have been trading since 2016, 2017, you know those projects, they are pretty much dead. It's not very wise to be in them either. So anyway, so waves this time as well, when it found its bottom on 16th October 2023, it was at $1.4, and it rallied from there till $5 in 2024. Since then it has been in continuous downturn, and we thought we get potential bottom at $2.3, but now we are at $1.39, not looking good for waves. And if the wave loses this is the main level to look out for. If we lose this level, we will be down to $1 and then to 50 cents area. So is it wise to be in waves? Well, if you look at the most of the time frames, the RSI is at 30, and whenever in the past we have touched this platform, we have always bounced. We have always seen some sort of huge bounce. So I will not be surprised if wave bounces off from here and rallies to around $2 before going down and finding new bottoms like half cent, half dollar, or 50 cents. Is it wise? Should you stay in waves? Like, they are trying their best to tell the people, look, we are still alive and kicking. But when the major cryptocurrency exchanges delist you, the history showed that, well, it's not a wise thing. Like Monero, if you say, hey, it has pumped to $160, $170 after being delisted from Binance, like, hey, Monero has its own utility in the darknet. Okay, what sort of utility does the waves has? Ask yourself. It has no utility other than playing with some unknown shit coins on WX network. Like there are plenty of shit coins with very poor trading volumes on WX network. There is no other DEX for waves, and I think now the Sasha is just trying to pump a little bit here and there to make sure that he is able to dump on his followers. So if I was you, I would, like, if I have to do a short-term trade, I would still buy some waves here and ride it all the way to around $1.9 or something, which will still be a good profit, mind you. But I don't think so. It's if you're investing for the long term and do not have the time to stick onto the screens all day long, I won't be investing in waves anymore. So yeah, that's all about it. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like and share, subscribe. I'll be posting more price analysis videos like these in the future. Bye bye.